Michael Mosley, you absolute bellend. You're telling people to basically starve themselves. Of course they're going to lose weight. Allow me to back up a little bit. The Fast 800 is a diet made popular by the TV doctor. Doctor. Michael Mosley. To be honest, he's more a documentary maker and a journalist these days. The diet consists of, well, just eating only 800 calories a day. You've probably heard me talking about creating calorie deficit every day. 800 calories a day is such a huge deficit to most people. It's almost a joke. I tracked the calories of just my breakfast yesterday, and that itself was about 750 calories. But Gav, I had a friend that did the Fast 800 and he lost about 10 kilos in just 8 weeks, so it definitely works. Of course he f***ing did, you absolute weapon. Unless you only weigh about 90 pounds soaking wet, 800 calories a day is a starvation diet. You're going to lose weight regardless. The question you need to answer yourself is, can you sustain it? The answer to that, my friends, is no. Now there's one caveat to this. If someone was morbidly obese and in imminent danger of, like, say, dying, like today or tomorrow, maybe a controlled starvation diet could help them lose 30 or 40 pounds in a hurry. Maybe. You'd have to weigh up the risk to reward ratio. And in this case, keeping someone alive is well worth the risk. But for the average obese or overweight person, it's not the answer. Unfortunately, Dr. Mosley is on the TV and is very popular. So it must be sound advice, right? Well, it's not. To be honest, it's shitty advice and you'd be smart to avoid it. Try surviving on 800 calories a day and working out. An intense hour of exercise may burn 500 calories itself. Try looking after your family and doing a full day's work. Go on, try it. Let me know how you get on. It's totally moronic and it's a recipe for disaster. Okay, rant over. Woosah, woosah, woosah. Namaste. Look, if you want to lose a load of body fat and a load of muscle and have literally zero energy, 800 calories a day is a great way to go about it. But if you'd like to lose body fat, gain a bit of muscle, shape your body and have a ton of energy, ignore Dr. Mosley. I can help you. Send me a direct message or click the link below this post to find out more. Until next time.